How to log in Rooms to Go credit card payment. In order to log in to Rooms to Go credit card, simply open a default web browser in your device. Start by searching Rooms to Go credit card login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Rooms to Go by Synchrony. As soon as you get into this link, you will be taken to the home page. Here, you will find a login button. Tap on it, you will be taken to a new form page. In this screen, you will be presented with prompts which you have to fill correctly. In this screen, you will be presented with prompts which you will have to fill correctly. You will be asked your username in the username space and you can enter it. Enter your password as well in the password section, then check right on remember username. Finally, tap on login. Here, some other options are present like I forgot my username or password and I want to register links, which you can explore on your own as per your need. And this was everything you needed to know about logging into Rooms to Go credit card accounts payment.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.